Guys, come here.
Hold on. They're dead.
Oh, they're all dead? Cool.
Those are us. Who is that? They're scouts. Gotcha. Spread out.
Gotcha.
They're scouts.
You guys having fun?
Oh yeah, blast.
Good push, guys. You almost had it.
20 miles in the day.
This feels brutal, isn't it?
Yeah, it's fucking awesome.
It's not that bad.
Job, man.
I got past my steps. That's what I'm saying. I got my steps in at like 10 o'clock.
They're going up the hill towards Apache.
Okay.
Be advised, I don't know if anyone could hear, but you got a team of enemy Spetz going up the hill towards Apache. I think they're dead, but they're literally scouting the area for numbers. Be advised. Good job, guys. Look how fucking far we got. Yeah. All right. You good here, man?
I'm good, brother.
All right. Shit goes south, find me.
Okay.
Okay. Good job, man.
You too, man.
All right. I'm gonna get up with QRF and see what 82nd actually is doing today.
Yeah, I hadn't heard anything about it.
They haven't done fuck. I don't know.
Sounds like Ducket.
So you just had a bunch of Spetz spawns down at that hill.
Oh yeah.
So a bunch of them went up the
mobile.
They went up the opposite hill.
Got you. Okay.
So we got our shit back. So most of them can't spawn behind us. Tim, come on.
Good.
Are we moving? Rob, are we moving? Yeah. Roger that, thank you. All right, let's push them back. We're going down the hill? Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna help 82nd. I wanna see what they've been doing all fucking day.
Thanks, sir.
Oh, hello.
Enemy tag! Enemy tag! Cross the bridge! We're going right, we're going right, we're going right.
Going right, guys, right.
Go farther.
Hit.
Farther, go. So we just had Spetz go up this hill. He's dead. So their spawn is over there. So we're gonna have to cross, shoot up, find a spot to tank in. Make sense?
Yep.
Yeah. Before they spawn.
You wanna cross right here?
Go for it. Yeah, we're going head hunting. I'm sick of this shit. Mike, keep an eye on your right.
Right-hand side movement.
Yeah,
Up
Spetz spawns over there.
Gotcha.
So we just had 5 go up the hill on the opposite side towards Apache.
Right.
You got me covered?
Yeah.
All right, moving.
Watch up top.
Set security. Set. Get out of the way!
Sorry, guys. Didn't mean to overshoot.
Yeah. All right, our security's gone. Who the fuck is hot miking?
I don't know.
Oh, that's a shame.
Keep an eye on my ass. We just wiped 6.
That's what I was doing.
Move past me, Mike.